In the blink of an eye, 3.8 million emails are sent worldwide. That's the reality of our hyper-connected digital age. We're living in an era where digital communication is as vital as breathing. Tweets fly, emojis dance, and messages ping, creating a symphony of human connection. At the heart of it all is computer-mediated communication, or CMC. From instant messaging and emails to social networking, CMC has transformed how we interact, breaking down physical and social barriers. But it's not just about speed or convenience. It's about forming relationships, sharing ideas, and expressing emotions. All of this, of course, comes with its own set of challenges. But remember, with great communication power comes great responsibility. Picture this: a major investor uses an emoji in a professional context, leading to a securities fraud lawsuit. Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly what happened with Ryan Cohen, a major investor in Bed Bath & Beyond. In this scenario, an innocent-looking moon emoji was interpreted as a sign of stock going to the moon, misleading investors. This case is not alone. In 2023, emojis appeared in over 200 legal cases in the US, showing how these small, colorful symbols can become a hotbed for misinterpretation. But why does this happen? Well, it's all about context. In the absence of non-verbal cues, messages can be perceived as less positive and more negative. This lack of social cues can lead to depersonalization and increased instances of misinterpreting emotions and intentions. Additionally, the line between formal and informal language blurs in the digital realm. A simple phrase or emoji can shift the tone from professional to casual in an instant, leading to potential faux pas. So, as you can see, even a simple emoji can lead to a world of misunderstanding. Stay tuned to learn how to avoid these pitfalls and master the art of digital communication. Now that we've seen the dangers, how can we communicate effectively in the digital age? Well, fear not, there are strategies that can help us thrive in this digital communication revolution. Firstly, it's essential to understand the audience and the context. This will help distinguish between informal and formal language. Informal language, akin to a casual chat, is more personal and emotional, while formal language is more professional and objective, often used in academic or corporate settings. Deciding on the level of formality is like setting the stage for a play. You wouldn't want to deliver a soliloquy when a simple conversation is called for, and vice versa. Next, let's talk about expressing emotions. Digital communication lacks the nonverbal cues we rely on in face-to-face conversations. Emoticons and emojis have stepped in to fill that void, allowing us to convey tone and emotion. However, they can be a double-edged sword, open to misinterpretation and even leading to legal issues, as we've seen in recent years. So use them wisely and sparingly, especially in formal communication. Now, onto the backbone of effective communication: feedback and interpretation. Models like the Osgood-Schramm model highlight that communication is a loop, not a one-way street. It involves encoding, decoding, and interpreting messages. Feedback, therefore, is integral for ensuring your message is understood as intended. Finally, remember the 3 C's of digital communication. Clarity. Be clear and concise in your messages. Context. Always consider the situation and the receiver. And continuity. Keep the communication loop going with feedback and responses. Implement these strategies and you'll be a master of digital communication in no time. Remember, clarity is key and context is king.